Appreciating somebody should come from your heart. When you know you want to appreciate somebody, let it come from your heart. If that appreciation you want to render to that person is not going to come from your heart, there is no need for you to do it, because that appreciation you are going to render to the person, you are not going.
Hello guys, I welcome you all to another episode of my channel, continuation of my previous one, appreciation. This one is appreciation too. So guys, I want to use this opportunity to appreciate all my subscribers. Wow, you guys are the best. I love you all so much. And for every one of you that have been leaving a warm comment for me, I love you all. You guys are the best. I appreciate every one of you so dearly. Without you, there will be no Stella Odudu's vlog. Without you, there will be no Stella Odudu's vlog for sure. You guys made me to be here today. I appreciate every one of you for always being there for me. Before I upload a video, you are already there watching. I love you all. You guys are the best. More kudos to you guys. So very soon I will be shouting you guys out. In fact, this shout out starts now because a lot of you really surprised me, without my video, and you guys leave a warm comment for me, and I appreciate every one of you so much for that. So guys, what are we talking about now? Appreciation. Because one other thing, if you want me to talk anything, there is something you want me to talk, don't forget to leave it down below the comment section. I will gladly do that for you. That's why I'm here for you guys. That's why your girl is here for you. Stella Odudu's vlog. If you know you are just coming across it for the first time, don't forget to hit on that red button and turn on the notification bell. Put it on all, so whenever I upload any video, you be the first person to be notified. God bless you as you do that. I really appreciate you all. So guys, so what are we talking about now? Appreciation. A lot of people leave a comment that I should say this and I should bring this out. I love you all. You guys are the best. Like, you really want me to do this and say it for the world, so that the world will know that this is what we should do. And I love you guys for that. And it's very important, guys. If there is anything that is on your mind, I made any video, if there's anything on your mind you want me to say, you can gladly say it out. I would love to say it to the world. So guys, appreciation, the first thing, appreciation brings good gifts to us. When you appreciate someone, it brings a good gift to you. A open-hearted person that appreciates somebody from the heart, it brings out good gift to the person. When you do that, you will see good things begin to happen to you, around you. That is how it is. And when you want to appreciate somebody, appreciation also comes from the heart. It should come from the heart. When you are appreciating somebody, let it come from your heart. If it doesn't come from your heart, that thing you are appreciating the person for is not going to take any part in your life, and even that of the person. You understand? When you want to appreciate somebody, let it come from your heart. It should come from your heart. It's not something that they are forcing you to do. Appreciating somebody should come from your heart. A lot of people, when they want to appreciate somebody, even the person that you want to appreciate, we have the feeling, we felt it inside that this thing, this person, this appreciation this person is showing me, even you yourself, you felt it. If for instance, I take myself as an example, that you want to appreciate me for something, if you appreciate me, the way you are going to do it, I'm going to felt it inside me. I'm going to feel, this thing, it's like this thing. It's just that when something touches you, I'm going to feel it, that this person really appreciate this thing that I did for the person. By this main saying of it, not just by saying it. Some people may say it, there are different ways everyone do appreciate somebody. So you may say it in a different way. Even the person also will also say it in a different way. But if I really want to know somebody appreciating me for something, if I really want to know that thing that person is appreciating me for is really from that person's heart, I'm going to felt it. I'm going to felt it deep inside me. Just when it's just same with me. If I want to appreciate somebody for something also, I will also felt it inside me. I will felt it so well. Like I will like feeling some kind of joy, cold inside me. I'm touched. that this thing that this person did for me, even it's a little thing, I do felt it inside me, like it's just like a surprise to me. I would like, how I didn't expect this thing from this person. No, the way I'm going to feel inside me, expressing it like to the person is going to know that the person itself is going to feel it, that this person really appreciates me for this thing that I did for his or her. You know, it's very, very important. Whatever we are doing, we should do it genuinely from our hearts. It pays a lot. It pays a lot. So guys, that is it. Appreciation should come from the heart. And one other thing, a lot of people, when they appreciate somebody, after they did something for the person, they will go back and start telling other people, this is what I give to the person, this is what I give. It's not good. That is very, 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 very wrong. When you appreciate somebody or you give somebody a gift, it's not what you should be bragging about. It's not what you should be telling other people about. It's not really good. I love vlogging on the streets. You know, it gives me the freedom, like I'm like free. Even when people are watching me, I don't care. I feel like I'm on top of the world when I'm vlogging now. The sun is reflecting though, but I love it. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So that is it, guys. You should know how to appreciate somebody from the depth of your heart, and that person also is going to feel it, that this appreciation really comes from out from the person's mind. You know, that is how it's supposed to be, and I love that so much. So there's no need going out to tell people that this is what this person did for me, this is what I did for this person. It doesn't call for. It doesn't call for. That's why a lot of people will say, I've been doing good to people, I've been doing a lot of things to people, and I'm not getting it back. They are not paying me back. Because why? Maybe you have used that your own mouth to destroy that thing that you did for the person. When you are supposed to receive the result of it, you have already used your mouth to destroy that good thing you did for the person. Just when you want to receive, you destroy it. That is it. That's when it's the same thing when you ask God for something, you are impatient. Just at the point of your breakthrough, you can't be patient enough to wait. You just lose that opportunity. So that is what we are talking about. So anything we are doing, we should be sincere in doing it, and we should do it from our heart, from the depth of our heart. We should do it sincerely, so that even God himself will appreciate. Oh my God, this my daughter, this my son knows how to appreciate. You know, it's very, 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 very good and very, very important. So we should try and be doing.
You should learn to be appreciative. When you are appreciative, it gladdens your heart. When you are being appreciative, it gladdens your heart. So appreciation gladdens the heart. So no matter what, no matter how little the thing the person did for you, you should be appreciative. It's very, very important. If only we all could be appreciative with whatever little thing someone did for us. Oh my God, this world would have been a better place. This world would have been a place that we all will love to be with one another. A lot of us don't appreciate. No matter how little the thing is, learn to be appreciative. Appreciate one another. When you appreciate little things, bigger things come to you. That is what a lot of people don't know. They don't understand that when you appreciate little things, bigger things come to you. A lot of us are ungrateful. They don't know how to appreciate. They don't know how to appreciate. Appreciating someone doesn't mean that they are worshiping the person. No. And for some people also, they want people to bow for them, to worship them as if they are the creator. They want people to bow for them for any little thing they do for person. They want the person to worship them as if they are Jesus Christ. I don't know. If that name is free, I know a lot of people will be answering that name. But since the name is not free, it's just for one person, our Savior. That's why. They would have had a lot of people answering that name. Because they want people to worship them. Any little thing they do for somebody, they want the person to worship them, to adore them. I don't know. That is what most people are doing, and this is very, very, very bad. You don't need to do something for a person and you wait for a return. It's very bad. We don't need a return. We do it so that it gladdens your heart. You want to do something for a person because it gladdens your heart that you are helping that person. It gladdens your heart that you want to help the person, you want to do something for the person. So why will you wait for the person to come and appreciate you in return. That person that you did that thing for knows that he or she will appreciate you in return for what you did. And we should not take it for granted. We shouldn't take it for granted at all. Appreciating one another. This word is a very little word, but it's mighty. It's mighty because a lot of us don't act according to what the word says. Appreciation. We should have a grateful heart. It's like when you are helping somebody, you are doing something for someone that really comes from your heart. Like you want to help the person and it comes from your heart. You will be glad doing it. You will be happy doing it. You will feel a lot of joy inside you when you are doing it. You don't need to wait let the person come and appreciate you. No, we shouldn't be waiting for that. That is what a lot of people are doing. You are not Jesus Christ. You are not our Savior. Don't do something for a person and you are waiting for a return. You are waiting for a payback. This is very, very, very bad. Oh guys, thank you so much for always talking back. This will now bring us to our episode 3 of this appreciation because this topic is little but mighty and I'm going to hit on it again. Stay tuned and wait for the next episode. God bless you. Much love to you. Oh, I love you all, my fam. God bless you. Shout out to you. You all are the best. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Your girl love you all so much. Thank you and stay tuned for my next episode. Bye bye.